My name's Alex, and we've been learning about properties, mainly doing lease option agreements. Today we've been doing a bit of BRR. Yesterday we was learning about refurbs. Yeah, it's brilliant, to be fair. I didn't even understand what a lease option agreement was before I came here. I've learned so much. It's a lot of information to take in, don't get me wrong, but I've got to sit back sometimes and actually think about all the stuff I've learned. There's so much to get in such a short period of time. But yeah, I've learned so much and already making better deals, so it's very beneficial. Brilliant. Everyone's really friendly, really helpful. Yeah.
Have you seen deals being made in the room while you've been here?
Yeah. I mean, my mate that I'm with, we've just secured a deal, so it's already doing what? Yeah. So it's brilliant.
Cool. And would you recommend it to anyone?
Yeah. I would. I mean, we're not part of the academy as of yet, but even just this 4 days has been so helpful. So yeah, I would recommend it. Yeah.